Hi everyone, welcome to another session. In this session, we will attempt a question. We will attempt question in a way that we will not only try to answer the question, we will also try to understand the concept. So, how we will do it? I will read through this question and then you can pause this video and try to attempt yourself. Take 30 seconds, 1 minute, um, the time you need to answer this question. Once you answer that question, then you can continue watching this session. So I will try to explain about the concept. If let's say if we know the answer of this question, then we will also discuss what is the explanation why this particular answer is correct. So what we will try to make sure that the concept which we have, the key concept which we have in this question, we will try to cover all all the important points about that concept. Because if you see any question in CISSP exam related to that concept, you might be able to answer that question very easily. Because here our objective is not to learn question and answers by heart. Because as we all know that CISSP exam is concept based exam, so there is no pool, there is no dump which you can just learn, you can take and learn all those questions by heart, and you sit in the CISP exam and pass it. So that is not possible. So therefore, CISSP is a conceptual exam. So when you answer one question, so you should know the concept, why you are answering that question. So now let's get started. So the question number one. So here, your network has been the victim of an access control attack that involved the use of rainbow tables. What is contained in these tables? So we have four answers. All accepted passwords in a hash format, all possible passwords in a hash format, all accepted passwords, and all possible passwords. So now you can pause the video and try to answer this question. Okay, so now what would be the correct answer? So in this uh, in these four options, the correct option would be option B. So now let me explain why this is correct. So the correct answer is all possible passwords in a hash format. So what we need to understand the concept rainbow tables, right? So what is mentioned in this question? An access control attack that involved the use of rainbow tables. The use of rainbow tables. So that we need to understand what rainbow table is. So rainbow tables are pre-computed databases that contain plain text password and their corresponding hash values. They are used to reverse password hashes by looking them up rather than brute forcing them. For instance, so now let me tell you what it exactly rainbow table attack. So rainbow table attack, for instance, if you have regional word apple, so and its hash value is 1F6CD. So we have another, let's say password 123 and its hash value is C2. Just hypothetically, I'm writing those values, so hash values just for the understanding purpose. So that means the attacker, they just look the hash in their uh, rainbow table, right? So for instance, they create a huge list of possible password and their hashes in advance, right? And and once you have that hash value, then you look up the hash in their rainbow table. For instance, we know this hash value is for this word, right? Apple. So so therefore we can predict, or we can say that Apple is the password, right? So so once again, once you create a password, a system does not store your password directly. It stores hash of it. Hashes are, as we all know, hashes are one way you can go from password, right, to hash, but not easily from hash to password, right? So that cannot be reversed. So therefore, so you have rainbow table, and you can check that table and find the exact hash value against that plain text, right? So this is much faster than computing hashes for every guess on the fly. So if you have rainbow table, so you can use this technique. So if they talk about rainbow tables, use of rainbow tables, so that is the concept which we have discussed. So rainbow tables are pre-computed databases that contain plain text password and their corresponding hash values. And they are used to reverse password hashes by looking them up rather than brute forcing them. So now let's continue our discussion. What the why the other options are correct. All accepted password in hash format, no, incorrect, because rainbow table don't contain accepted password by the system. They include all possible combination regardless of whether they are actually used, right? The third option is C. B is correct. C is all accepted password. Incorrect password. Rainbow table do not store plain text password, right? Uh, because rainbow table do not store plain text from any system. Plus, they are not about accepted password. They are theoretical combination. So all possible passwords incorrect, because without hashes, it's just a dictionary list, not a rainbow table. Rainbow table are only useful when hashes are included. So other password attacks. So let's quickly discuss those password attacks as well. So we already know few of um, password attacks. For instance, very famous brute force attack, right? So that is another attack. So let us discuss what it is. So tries they try every possible combination until the correct password is found. It's very slow, but um, guaranteed to work eventually, right? So another is dictionary password. Dictionary attack, password attack. So here, try list of common password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 ABCDEF, uh, password 1 2 3. So these are the dictionary attacks. So faster than brute force, but limited to predictable password. So only predicted dictionary. So where we do not use any special characters, just a common password like. So the third one is credential stuffing. So credential stuffing uses known leaked username password combination from other breaches to log into different accounts, Very successful if people reuse passwords. So password, another is password spring. Try small number of password SP. Uh, so try small number of common password across many username names, avoiding account locks, right? So different username spring. So more uh, easy than brute force. So phishing. mm, so the trick user into uh, to revealing password via fake website or emails. So keylogger attacks. So another one is keylogger. So keylogger attack are malware record keyboard input capturing password as they are typed. Another one is replay attack. Replay attack. Okay, so reuses a previously intercepted login token or hash to impersonate a user without needing the password itself, right? So yeah, so here in this session we we have not we only have not attempted the question. So we also try to understand the concept, the key concept, and also some other possible password attacks. So this will go give us a good this will go give us a good idea. And what we are trying to do, we are trying to strong our concept, right? Rather than just learning it blindly. So as I said multiple times, CISSP is a conceptual exam. We need to understand the concepts. So I hope this video will help you to understand how we can approach the question, how we can learn. Thank you so much for watching this session. In upcoming videos, we will learn more about, we will attempt more questions and learn more about other concepts. If you have any feedback or comment, please share in the comment section.